We have a Vivo Y16 and today I will show you how you can enable a private mode in the 3 most popular web browsers on the Google Store. So you start from the Google Chrome. If you want to enable Incognito Mode here, just click here on this 3-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. You can see now we are in the Incognito Mode, so now I will show you how to do it on the Firefox. The Firefox, just click on this little Zora mask. If your background is purple and you see this small Incognito Mode icon here, it means you are in the Incognito Mode. So now for the Opera, just click here to open it and tap here on this small tab icon. Now just switch to private and your history will be not saved. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.